G'day mobile creators. Today I'm going to show you how to check your handles, change your handle on YouTube, all using your phone in the YouTube app. You don't have to leave YouTube, you don't have to click on any links of emails. So long as you've been offered it by YouTube, you can go in and do it using the following method. So let's hit the phone. First of all, what you're going to do is just wherever you are on the YouTube app, click your profile picture in the top right hand side. You want to click on your channel. When you get to your channel, you'll see your channel banner and everything. You'll see the little section in the middle where it says manage videos, little graph analytics, and there's a pencil icon. You want to click that. Once you click that, you can see right under the channel name, you have the banner, profile picture at the top, name. Next one down is handle. Click on the pencil icon and you can go in and pick a different handle than the one they've allocated to you. And don't forget, if you like the one allocated to you, which is often matched to your custom URL if you already have one of those, then there's nothing you need to do, but you can check it in here and go and change it. And note the following things. This handle is visible to all users on YouTube, and you can change your handle back within 14 days. So they're going to hold your existing handle if you change it for 14 days. So you have a 14-day window to get back to it. Make sure you stick around on this channel for more YouTube mobile related content. If you're a mobile only creator, then this is a channel for you. I'm going to talk about apps like iMovie and editing apps and anything else that you can do on your mobile device. It's coming at you. Catch you later.
Subscribe to Hewson YT for more tech for content creation.